Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Sustainability Podcast, where we dive in each week to the latest advancements and discussions in the field of sustainability and the technologies that are impacting it. I'm Jim Frazier, and today we have a range of exciting topics to cover, grouped into key areas of focus. Let's jump right in. In the area of industrial innovations and predictive technologies, Hitachi Industrial Equipment Systems has launched a new predictive diagnosis service for air compressors aimed at enhancing maintenance and operational efficiency. This service leverages machine learning to analyze data obtained through remote monitoring and combines it with the expertise of maintenance staff to detect and prevent potential issues before they can cause equipment stoppages. By predicting future temperature rise trends, the system can take preventative measures to avoid malfunctions, thus optimizing operations with less environmental impact. Currently, this service is available for specific models of air compressors, with plans to expand in the future, ultimately helping to minimize downtime and reduce energy consumption. For much more in-depth analysis of this topic, be sure to visit ArcWeb and check out our blog section. Next up, asset management strategies optimized by Hexagon's Hexagon APM. Hexagon has announced the launch of Hexagon APM, a comprehensive solution designed to optimize asset management strategies. This tool uses advanced analytics to monitor and predict asset performance, enabling proactive risk mitigation and optimizing maintenance expenditures. By leveraging a modern architecture and an extensive strategy library, it enhances the reliability and efficiency of asset-intensive operations. This aligns with Hexagon's commitment to sustainable, data-driven transformations in a variety of industries. The solution also aims to balance performance, cost, and risk, making significant contributions to operational sustainability by extending asset life cycles and reducing environmental impacts. Again, for detailed insights, please visit arcweb.com. Next up, transportation and mobility. Vehicle-to-grid technology research by Toyota and Pepco. Toyota and local energy utility Pepco are collaborating on vehicle-to-grid V2G technology research for battery electric vehicles using a Toyota BZ4X. This research explores bidirectional power flow technology, enabling BEV owners to charge their vehicle battery and send power back to the local energy grid. The V2G technology has the potential to support energy reliability, integrate renewables, and possibly reduce electricity costs for consumers. Maryland is one of the fastest growing EV markets in the nation. It's at the forefront of this technology and is targeting 300,000 EVs by 2025. This Maryland initiative underscores the role of electric vehicles in supporting sustainable energy management, providing resilience to the grid, and offering a promising step towards a more sustainable energy ecosystem. Also in the transportation domain, Hitachi Rail acquires Thales Ground Transportation Systems. Hitachi Rail has completed its $1.6 billion acquisition of Thales Ground Transportation Systems, expanding its global footprint to 51 countries. This acquisition enhances Hitachi Rail's capabilities in providing innovative transportation solutions, particularly in digital signaling and systems. This integration of Thales' expertise will allow Hitachi to offer more comprehensive and sustainable public transportation systems. The acquisition supports Hitachi's strategic focus on sustainable mobility, aiming to shift more people from private to public transport through digitalization. This move highlights the importance of strategy acquisitions in advancing sustainable transportation infrastructure. Next, in transportation, NTT Data and DENSOs have signed a memorandum of understanding for a strategic partnership to develop a software platform for software-defined vehicles, also known as SDVs. This collaboration aims to create advanced automotive software that adapts to evolving technologies, promoting vehicle efficiency and sustainability. The partnership will also focus on hiring and upskilling software engineers to support the development of SDVs. By leveraging cloud technology and in-vehicle software expertise, the partnership aims to address social issues and enhance the automotive industry's sustainability. This initiative is expected to drive significant advancements in vehicle technology and contribute to a more sustainable future. Lastly, in our transportation section for this week, AlphaStruxure and Montgomery County's renewable energy-powered transit. AlphaStruxure and Montgomery County have broken ground on the nation's largest renewable energy-powered transit depot. This project will feature electric bus charging and on-site green hydrogen production powered by solar and battery energy storage. The depot aims to accommodate 200 zero-emission buses by 2035, significantly reducing the county's carbon footprint. The microgrid will support the county's goal of achieving a 100% reduction in carbon emissions by 2035, providing clean and resilient power for public transportation. It also sets a benchmark for other regions to develop sustainable public transportation solutions. Next up, conferences and collaborative initiatives. The second VDMA industry conference in Shanghai was successfully held in Shanghai, focusing on the impact of AI in production. The event brought together over 400 participants, including industry leaders from companies such as Microsoft and Siemens, to discuss AI's role in the manufacturing sector. Key discussions revolved around how AI can enhance production efficiency and quality, with examples of AI reducing costs and increasing efficiency. The conference also highlighted the importance of Sino-German cooperation in driving industrial innovation. Events like these are crucial for fostering collaboration and advancing sustainable industrial practices. Next, at the ACI EU conference, microgrid trends. The ACI EU microgrid conference highlighted the increasingly powerful synergy between renewable energy sources, battery storage, and microgrid control technology. Experts from various sectors discussed the potential of microgrids to enhance energy resilience and efficiency. The U.S. Army's plans to upgrade 184 bases to microgrids by 2030, along with discussions on standards and codes for safety and interoperability, underscored the importance of microgrids in modern energy systems. Innovations in waste-to-power systems and solid oxide fuel cells were also showcased. The conference emphasized the growing role of microgrids in creating a flexible, reliable, and resilient power system. Last on our list, SLB and Aker Carbon Capture have finalized their joint venture, combining their technology portfolios to accelerate carbon capture adoption for industrial decarbonization. The new company will integrate ACC's amine-based carbon capture technologies with SLB's advanced solutions, aiming to support large-scale carbon capture projects. With headquarters in Oslo, the joint venture will focus on reducing industrial CO2 emissions. It's expected to drive innovation and significantly contribute to global efforts to mitigate climate change. Of course, partnerships like this are crucial for advancing carbon capture technologies and achieving sustainability goals. Well, that's all for today's episode of the Sustainability Podcast. We hope you found these updates informative and inspiring. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue to explore the latest in the convergence of technology and sustainability. Don't forget to visit our podcast website at www.thesustainabilitybuzz.buzzsprout.com for more information and to subscribe to our podcast. And of course, look for our podcast on all popular podcast platforms. Lastly, for much more information and in-depth analyses of each of these topics, be sure to visit arcweb.com and check out the blog section. Thank you for listening, and until next time, let's keep working towards a sustainable tomorrow.